Intramuscular injection procedure, step-by-step nursing skill demonstration. Intramuscular injection is the administration of medication deep into the muscle tissue. It allows faster absorption of drugs because of rich blood supply. Intramuscular injections are used for vaccines, antibiotics, hormones, and vitamin preparations. It is used when oral route is not suitable. Common intramuscular injection sites include deltoid muscle, ventrogluteal muscle, and vastus lateralis muscle. Site selection depends on age, muscle mass, and drug volume. Equipment required includes sterile syringe, needle, prescribed medication, alcohol swab, cotton ball, and gloves. Explain the procedure to the patient. Check doctor's order and medication. Perform hand hygiene and wear gloves. Position the patient comfortably. Clean the injection site with alcohol swab using circular motion. Hold the skin and insert the needle at 90-degree angle. Aspirate if required by protocol. Inject medication slowly and steadily. Withdraw the needle gently. Apply gentle pressure with cotton. Do not massage the site if contraindicated. Dispose sharps safely. Possible complications include pain, infection, nerve injury, and tissue damage. Proper technique helps prevent complications. Always follow aseptic technique. Select correct site and needle size. Observe patient for adverse reactions. Document the procedure. This was the intramuscular injection procedure. Thank you for learning.